Hey guys, it's Danny. Today I will be talking to you guys about an orchid that I don't have. I know, it's a little bizarre, but I think I have the closest thing to it. And I do want to tell you guys this because you might be able to find this orchid that I'm going to talk about. And maybe you do know it by now, but I'm going to tell you what it's capable of. So the orchid we see here is a flower shop Phalaenopsis, but the flowers look very, very much like the flowers of the Phalaenopsis equestris. Now, the equestris is an orchid which I've never necessarily been a fan of for whatever reason because it was pale pink, but it possesses a trait which is absolutely wonderful, and this is it blooms like nothing else. This, what I have here, I do believe it's quite a close hybrid of the equestris. And do we see what I'm handling here? It has 4 flower spikes with branches, with tiny little flowers. It is amazing. Now, I've showed you this orchid in my How to Obtain a Lot of Blooms video, so you might know about the equestris, but in case you missed that video and you don't know about it, well, you might want to learn that it's actually a pretty affordable orchid because it just doesn't have very showy flowers. And whenever you purchase orchids, even from the nursery and definitely from the flower shop, you will purchase them at a very young age. So they will not show you their full potential. You might find the equestris with like this flower spike if you're lucky, only this. And from this to this, it's quite hard to imagine that there's just one step, right? Well, as it ages and the better you care for it, the more it's gonna do this. And not only that, the equestris is also prone to producing spike keikis. And not only that, the keikis are also prone to flowering very early on. Even if they have one leaf and a little bit of stem and no root, they are known to produce flower spikes, and those flower spikes are not shabby. So even though I personally would recommend to remove spike keikis, in the case of the equestris, if the plant is very healthy, maybe they can stay on for a season just for the wonderful bloom show. I mean, if you Google search images with the equestris, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, since I have this particular one, I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna give a chance to the equestris. There are some varieties which I think are lovely. I don't think I would go for the pale pink one because it's just not for me. It might be for you though. I know there are some varieties which have a very beautiful lip. They're white and have a very nice lip. I think I would go for something like that, even though it's very similar to this one. But yeah, I'm very tempted to buy an equestris for myself now. And I know about this orchid for 10 years and I never purchased it because I never thought it can look like this, but it can. So, if you ever see the equestris for sale and the price is right, why not give it a go? If you like the flowers, of course. And come back and tell me in a comment in this video if with good care and throughout the years it becomes like this, because I cannot find any explanation for the flowering of this particular orchid other than it's a close equestris hybrid. I didn't necessarily do this. This is possible because of genetics. I just gave it some good care. But yeah, this is the magic of the equestris, and I'm tempted now. So if you didn't know about this orchid, because it is very inconspicuous, now you do, maybe give it a try and let me know how it goes. Alrighty, so that is about it for the very quick tip of today. See you guys